Welcome to Safar AI, your journey to better English. These are interactive videos, so you won't just watch, you'll participate. Throughout the video, you'll see questions on the screen. Make sure to answer them before moving on. These videos are designed to help you practice and check your English skills. Let's have this conversation, talking about hobbies.
So, Julia, what do you like doing in your free time?
I love painting and reading books. I also like going for long walks. What about you?
I like playing football and watching movies, but I hate swimming.
Really? I enjoy swimming, especially in the summer.
That's great. I just don't like being in cold water.
Fair enough, everyone has different hobbies.